To slip into stillness wherever you are today, whatever you're landing here with, know that it is most welcome. Come as you are. Allow the hands to rest gently wherever they fall. And let's just take a couple quiet moments here to check in, notice how we're feeling, and observe the breath. Now I'll invite you to gently deepen nothing at all. Take a second to get settled in. We are not going to rush through this session. In fact, I feel that you'll get the maximum benefits of this yoga practice by allowing yourself to slow down just a bit. Trust that this time is valuable as you sit up nice and tall in your seat. Allow your eyes to gently close down, or you can send your gaze down past your nose, maybe just having the eyes 90% closed. And just check in. You might feel right away like, whoa, gosh, it's so hard to slow down because you've just been running on stress. Or you might find it really easy